Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Cynthia.
And we're the Haney family.
So we're going to do some Canadian content for you guys again today. This one was also on our request list. It was requested by Debbie Plato. The band is Crown Lands, and the song is Waterfall.
Crown Lands. Yeah, we're really enjoying Crown Lands.
Yeah, we were lucky enough to see them live, so that was great.
Yeah,
that was
great.
October 1st.
October 1st at right in front of the Rose Theatre at Garden Square.
Yeah.
And
nice free concert, and it was fantastic.
Yeah, I know. They were excellent. I was so impressed. So we're going to try out another one of these songs from them. And this one is called Waterfall. So here it is. Crown Lands.
From darkness, I'll be like the Amazon. Whoa, I'll be like a current that hawkins, be like a waterfall. What you ain't much is too late now. Illuminate the light I can see you. Fly but don't bite, feel don't feel. As the wicked, cry for more. I feel like a wolf from darkness, I feel like the Amazon. Whoa, I feel like a current that hawkins, feel like a waterfall.
This is awesome, huh?
Yeah, it's a really great beat.
Yeah, it's so well played, and the vocal is amazing.
I know. And for just two guys, I mean,
Yeah,
that's
really.
crazy. Like, that's the one thing you have to understand. There are two people playing this. The guitarist also plays the bass with a synth, like with a bass synth, one of those Moog machines. And he plays synthesizer when he's not playing his guitar. And he's the entire other sound than drums. That's it.
Yeah, and the guy singing does all the drums and
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, they're so good.
So that's two guys, a drummer and the guy who does everything else.
And they make it sound really full, so that's fantastic.
It sounds really great.
Yeah.
And this is so impressive.
Yeah, so let's keep going.
All right.
I feel the heart of darkness. The heart of darkness slipping down the Amazon.
These guys are incredible.
I know.
They're just really, really good. I love that. I'm not even I didn't catch all the lyrics, so I'm
No,
not quite
no.
certain how the meaning of, like, what the meaning is of the song, but it sounded fantastic. So,
Yeah, exactly. Musically, it was just off the chart. So,
yeah.
we're going to get into more of it. We'll look at the lyrics later, but yeah, so far, I mean,
Yeah, we might do a deeper dive, like an album review at some point.
I think we might.
Yeah.
I think it needs to.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know we did. Don't forget to check us out over on our Patreon page. It's $3 a month. Like and subscribe to our channel. Share with your family and friends. Click the notification bell if you don't want to miss a video. And we'll see you next time. Later.
Later.